Finally, some sun. Hello you guys, this is Panda Project Express here. Welcome to the channel. For you who actually saw this video, welcome back. Anyway, today I have a special treat. I got my lip kit. Took me a while to figure out how to incorporate this in my car and bring it home, but I got it anyway. Today I'm going to attempt, or try to, install the lip kit. And now the lip kit is an Ancient Auto lip kit for the WRX. I bought it from Subi Speed. Quick delivery and everything. However, if you're wondering why this is a little warped, that right there, right there. Anyway, that spot warped because the way I put it in the car. Anyway, I've been wanting to do this for a while. However, the weather hasn't been great, and so far, nice sunny day. There's the WRX that I'm putting it on. It's gonna be fun. All right, let's do this. All right, let's start for the first piece. Let's do the front lip. Of course, it's not even out of the package yet. I gotta put the camera down. Hold on a moment. There we go. It's unwrapped now. All right, let's take it to the car. Let's go this way. Oh god, it's not bright. There we go. I know that's unnecessary, but I feel like it anyway. Now, for you guys who ordered the lip kit, you may get this box, don't know. Reuse it, because it helps when you crawl underneath. Very handy. Alright, let's see what we got underneath here. Okay. My car's a little dirty. Somewhere here. I'm gonna figure out what goes to what and see how it goes. Alright, first hole is done. Sort of. It's pretty tight there using these stuff. Now, it's because I don't have a drill, I had to improvise using this snap-on electric ratchet and some random bolt with a washer kind of thing. Well, whatever it is. However, this bolt is actually the perfect size for the hole, so I was able to use this to drill. So advise you get yourself a drill. If not, if you're a mechanic or if you have, you're handyman, you can probably improvise with something. All right, I got about maybe 8 more fucking holes to make. Oh fuck me. All right, back to work. God fucking damn it, it's starting snowing and raining, whatever this shit is. Fuck. Oh, well, I gotta finish up. Fuck that. Finally, the front lip is in. That took about 2 hours or so. Yeah, I had to improvise with a few tools since I don't have a drill, but it worked out good. Looks pretty good. We did have a sudden snow shower earlier. It's all gone now, but yeah, that's why the car's wet. It was dried earlier, so I'll probably just do the rear spats and see if I can do the side skirt. Let's see how it goes. Alright, front lip is on the car. Next piece is the rear spats. Side skirt may take a while to do, so I'm going to hold off that one and see if the weather's nice enough. So let's focus on the rear spats. Alright, there we go. Alright, both side splats are in. Oh, they were a bitch to do. Took me like another hour. Alright, time to do the side skirt. Oh god. Yeah, just a car, gotta reposition the vehicle so I can do the side skirts now. And it's fucking cold. Whew. Oh, that was tiring. After an hour and a half, I only got one side done. It's tiring. I will keep encountering issue with these stupid plastic pop rivets. My opinion with them? Shit. Junk. Useless. Crap. I have a shitload of it, but I came with a better solution. Because I don't have a lift, and I didn't feel like jacking up the car. I have an alternative. Now, I'm gonna 3M this. I mean, rolls is about what, 15, 17 bucks, but I use this for my vortex generator over there. I 3M the crap out of it, so it doesn't fall off. I already seen one flew off as I was going to Boxerfest one year. I should have stopped by and grabbed it, but it was also expensive. But you know how it is. So this one comes with its own 3M as it is, the thin small strip. Take one of these, put them in section. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, but you have to do them in section. And then that's it. All right, I just 3M tape all the edges here. There you go. I mean, you just need a good amount of it, and it will work. Now, I left some of the holes, so this way, when I do get the self-tappers, I can self-tap them. Also, good advice, if you do this, I would advise you to get a heat gun. Because I'm doing this in the cold weather, and the 3M does not adhere pretty good, you know. So if you get a heat gun, heat it up, it's going to adhere a lot better. I did this with the vortex generator, and it worked a whole lot better. If you do not have a heat gun, well, there's a good trick. Just rub it, you know, just rub it nicely. Not in the most sexual way, just, you know, just a very good rub until you start feeling heat. Once you heat it up, it would adhere a lot better. Yes, please don't think of this sexual way. It's just, you do what you gotta do. Alright, now it's all 3M up. Now I'm gonna stick them on and call it a day. It's nighttime now. There's my Supra over there. It's getting dark. I just finished up the lip kit. It took me almost 5 fucking hours just to do the lip kit. I just say fucking, just 3M the tape. The fronts, it's not too bad. The rear, the pop cups are a bitch, but you know, once you get it, it's done. The easiest is the front and the rear. The side, it's a nightmare. The pop rivet clips they give you suck. So I 3M the tape, just made the job a lot more easier. I will highly suggest you put a couple bolt with a washer just to keep it stable, especially since this car does drive at high speed, and that should be no problem. Now, if you notice the car is a little dirty, well, it is a little dirty because I just put the side skirts and all that stuff. I gotta let them cure for at least 24 hours to make sure they stay, and then after that, then I'll wash the car. So for the time being, it's gonna be dirty. 5 hours if you plan to do this on the ground with no assistant. So it's a bitch. Well, I'm tired. I'm hungry. It's getting late. I see you guys later.